Hi, and welcome back. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to create different sound effects using vocals. The first type of vocals are high voices. First up, let's try some high-pitched screams without the didge. Woo! Woo! Yeah, I know it feels stupid, but try a few. Woo! Woo! Notice that you can scream many different notes. Some will feel and sound better than others. There could be different types of screams. They could be short or long. But it might take a while until you can actually do that easily, so go easy on yourself. I found that if I sing with intention, I'm singing correctly, and to do that, I imagine a situation where someone would actually scream like that. For example, a shaman is around the fire and he throws some powder into the fire, screaming at the same time, woo! Also make sure that you are sitting or standing reasonably straight and make sure your body is ready for screaming. If you sit too comfortably, this will usually not work, so brace yourself and remember to stop if anything feels off in your throat. Another thing you could do is sing the exact same note as your instrument to create a majestic sound. If you have no experience singing, this might be very hard, so feel free to skip this part straight to low voice. Notice that your didge might have a different note than mine, so try to drone shortly, listen to the note of your didge, and then sing it outside for a second. This didgeridoo is tuned to D, so I'm singing the same note. Notice that if you get the right note, you will have none or very long vibrations. Another type of vocals are low voices. Try saying, Good. Now try to do it inside your didge while playing a balanced drone. Notice the vibrations. Try to control them by gradually changing the note you sing. There are infinite variations that could be created, and you can create very psychedelic sounds with low vocals. You can also speak into the didgeridoo using the low voice. So you can actually say whatever you want in the didgeridoo. So let's go over the three types of vocals and exercises. Make sure you work on all three types while exercising. Experiment with short and long screams. Try to sing the exact note of your didge. Experiment with low voices. Try different notes and feel their different vibrations. Try to control the vibrations created inside the didgeridoo. And remember, listen to your body. If it doesn't feel right, stop and give vocals a rest for a day or two. If you exercise too much and try to sing forcefully, you could hurt yourself. 2 to 5 minutes a day should be okay to start with, but if something hurts, stop right away. So good luck, and I'll see you in the next lesson.